Hi there, students. An escarpment. Escarpment. Okay, an escarpment is a geological feature. It's where you've got land at one level and then suddenly there's a vertical cliff and then land at another level. So, for example, very often you go to the seaside and either the sea comes to a beach and then there are rocks and the land slowly moves upwards, or in other cases the sea hits rocks and the rocks go up vertically and then at the top there is a cliff. That is an escarpment. It's like a flat cliff with the land at another level. It's a line of steep cliffs that marks the edge of a range of hills or something like that. So yes, if there is an escarpment after the beach, it can very often be nigh on impossible to climb up that escarpment because it's very vertical. So it's a long continuous steep place before there is another plateau. Now you can also use this word, an escarpment, to talk about an artificial slope that is in front of a castle. For example, very often a castle, there is a steep slope and then the wall is built on the top. That bit in front is an escarpment. It's a way to fortify a place. So people attacking need to go up the escarpment, and that's quite a difficult thing for them to do. Okay, so an escarpment, it's effectively a difference in heights with a cliff in between. Yeah, it cuts away, it goes down vertically. This very often at the seaside, but an escarpment, it can be formed because perhaps one area of land has sunk whereas the other area has remained in place. So an escarpment, yeah, where there are a set of cliffs and then a new height. Formality. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, formal writing, or something formal as well. And then as to origin, it comes from escarpement in French, which itself comes from scarpaz, scarpaz, Proto-Germanic, talking about sharp or pointed. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Escarpment.